I'm in here wig making. I think I told y'all in the vlog, it's like a whole day of me just like chatting, that I was using, this is the deconstructed wig. Yeah, we listen, we don't judge, right? This is the deconstructed wig from the wig that was blonde in the front, brown in the back. This is a lace frontal that I had. All of the hair is damaged, right? Let's just get that out of the way. However, I didn't want to buy a new lace product because I'm like, I don't feel like doing that. That doesn't make any sense. So I cut my 13 by 4 frontal, but because it's 13 by 4 and the original lace that was on this wig is supposed to be 5 by 5, obviously it's too short. So I had like this little piece of material, probably from one of them AliExpress wigs, because this is like tough. And I'm like, we gonna attach this to this and stitch that so that we can make this wig. So I'm excited. Y'all gotta stay tuned. If it's one thing about me, you know, as a wig maker, self-proclaimed wig maker that is, I am always going to find a solution to the problem, even for my own wigs. So yeah, I just pinned this piece down. So anytime I cut lace off of something, I save it because you never know. Like, I'll show y'all. So listen, don't judge, right? Because the vandy's a mess. This is a wig that I made. Don't mind that band because nobody be seeing it. I know people cut this off of lace, but I don't. I just leave it on there because I feel like the lace will probably pull apart. However, what I wanted to show y'all with this wig is that I had to repair this. So y'all know the girl, she loved her nails, right? She loved her long nails. And I poked a hole in it when I was washing it. This is why I don't want to go back to stiletto. I love stiletto, but I can't do it no more. And I poked a hole in it and I had to repair it. So again, I feel like this is like a piece of lace that I probably cut off of like the end, like air tabs off of like a frontal. Cause you know, sometimes it comes too long. And what I did was I passed that piece through the hole. I'm gonna show y'all on the other side so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Oh, child. I passed that piece through the hole. One-handed operations, y'all. One-handed operations. All right, I passed it through the hole. I do have clear nylon thread, right? And then I stitched it up. So if y'all haven't checked out my wig services yet, make sure y'all do so. When I say I really care, I really care. Outside of that, child, I also attach, I might have to reinforce this, but like a small piece of lace in between here. Because what tends to happen sometimes is that the pulling of putting it on and off, it can tear. So, you know, these are like small little things I've learned from like wearing wigs over the years of, you know, how to finesse and finagle different things. Because why would I want to buy a whole new closure just for something simple like this? So if you guys haven't checked out my wig making services, wig repair services, make sure you do so because I'm not new to this. I'm true to this.